Up first this evening, local government minister Desmond McKenzie says an assessment is currently on the way to determine the extent of the damage caused by the flooding over the last 2 days. He was speaking following a tour of East Rural St. Andrew, where several communities were impacted by the heavy rain. More in this report. The aftermath of close to 2 days of rainfall in Gordontown and surrounding communities in East Rural St. Andrew.
We are saying to persons to still to exhibit caution, especially in driving in areas that are prone to landslides and also prone to flooding.
Heavy rainfall battered these communities, leaving a trail of destruction. On Saturday, during a multi-ministerial tour, Member of Parliament for St. Andrew East Rural Juliet Holness revealed that there were more than 30 landslides in her constituency.
We have had significant landslides right across the Mavis Bank Division and the Gordontown Division, to a lesser extent in Kintyre, and flooding in the Bull Bay Division. Those are our most significantly affected areas.
But with some residents concerned about being unable to leave their community, just how long will they have to wait before the roads are cleared?
We have been able at least to have equipment start the process of cleaning in some spaces a half of the road so that vehicular traffic can move. We hope residents will be patient and appreciate that the volume and the magnitude of the landslides is like we have never seen before.
We give the commitment that we are going to be here and we are not going to be coming out of the area until every single landslide, every boulder that is there impacting the movement of persons, that it is addressed.
The trail of destruction is evident, and it's obvious that it will take extensive work to clear the roads in these and other areas across the island. The big question is, how much will it cost? This was Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie.
It is not going to be possible for us today to give an extensive outlook as to the situation across the country based on the fact that we are still gathering information. The municipal corporations right across the country is presently doing an assessment. They are working in tandem with the National Works Agency to come up with a clear picture of what have taken place over the last 2 days.
At least 7 people have been displaced and their lives have been uprooted after their home collapsed due to a landslide. For his part, Labour and Social Security Minister Pernell Charles Jr. says support is being given to some of those affected.
As we make the assessments from the Ministry of Labour and Social Security, we have brought immediate support for the MP and this constituency, given what is taking place here. We will be doing not only East Rural, but at this moment we're in St. Catherine, Clarendon and St. Thomas, continuing to do the assessments with the disaster team to make sure that we can give as much support as possible to the families that have been displaced.